How to buy SATO token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, before going on buy this token, go and check Direct's account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 3 days ago and increased by 100% in the last 24 hours. Now, to be able to buy this token, but before that, the token, it's also trending number 2 in the B section. And to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your funds point. For that, now as you can see here, click on swap, make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here, and as you can see, select the base from here, and now paste the token address in the search bar. Now if you can't find it, use another wallet. I will use the Bitkit wallet for that. Now as you can see, log into your wallet first. Now after that, as you can see, select the base from the top right corner as a network, click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token, and click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and now search for your token until you find it. So as you can see, so just keep searching. As you can see, this is our second SATO. Click on it. Now click here on swap and switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with. For example, use team, and now you can type how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy SATO token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.